Hello everyone, welcome back from my channel. Today we are going to do the exercises from Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 9, 1.1 Irrational Numbers. Exercise 1.1. Number 1. Copy this table. Tick the correct boxes. So here are the number, and if rational, you have to tick at the rational. If the number is irrational, you have to tick at the irrational. So, first, root 36. Root 36 is equal to 6. 6 is an integer, so that's why it is the rational. And root 48. Root 48 is 16 3 times is 48. Root 16 means 4, and 4 root 3. And root 3 is irrational, so that's why root 48 is also irrational. And root 64. Root 64 equals to 8. 8 is an integer, so that's why root 64 is rational. Root 84. '84 means 21 4 times. So this is root 21 root 4, so it's equal to 2 root 21. But root 21 is irrational, so that's why 2 root 21 is also irrational. That's why root 84 is irrational number. And cube root of 100. Cube root for 100 is not a perfect cube, so that's why it is an irrational number. Number 2, look at these numbers. 12 by 77 minus 36, root 27, root 500, 61 12 minus cube root of 8. So we have to find the irrational number. Number A, write the irrational number. We have to find the rational or irrational. Then you have to write the irrational numbers here. And number B, write the integers. So you have to find the integers too. So 12 by 77. 12 by 77 is a terminating decimal, so this is a rational number. And minus 36. Minus 36 is a whole number, and it is an integer. And root 27. Root 27 means 9 3 times, so it equal to root 9 root 3, so it equal to 3 root 3. Root 3 is an irrational, so this is an irrational number. And root 500. Root 500 means 5 100 times, so root 5 root 100, so that means 10 root 5. So root 5 is an irrational, so 10 root 5 is also irrational number. And 61 by 12. 61 by 12 is a fraction, and it is a rational number. The last one, minus cube root of 8. So cube root for 8 means 2. So that's equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is a whole number, so this is an integer. So we will write our answers here. A, write the irrational numbers. So the irrational numbers are root 27 and root 500. B, write the integers. So the integers are minus 36 and minus cube root of 8. Question 3. Write whether each of these numbers is an integer or a set. So we have to find out which are integers and which are a set. So A, root 25. Root 25 is equal to 5, so this is integer. And B, cube root for 25. Cube root of 25 is not a perfect cube, so this is a set. And C, square root for 125. So square root of 125 means 25 5 times. So that's equal to 5 root 5. So this is a set. D, cube root of 125. 125 is equal to 5 cube. So that's equal to 5. 5 is an integer. E, square root for 225. 225 means 15 is equal to 225. So that's equal to 50. 15 is a whole number, so that's why this is an integer. Question F. F is cube root for 225. Cube root of 225 is not a perfect cube, so this is we call set. Question 4. Is each of these numbers rational or irrational? Give a reason for each answer. So A, root 3 plus 6. So root 3 is irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational. So if we add a rational number 6 to a root 3 irrational number, results in an irrational number. So the answer is root 3 plus 6 is an irrational number. P, root 3 plus 6. So root 3 plus 6 is equal to root 9. 3 plus 6 equal to 9 and root 9 equal to 3. 3 is a whole number and it is a rational number. So the conclusion, root 3 plus 6 is equal to rational number. C, root 64 plus cube root of 64. So let's see that root 64 equal to 8. 8 is a whole number and this is a rational number. Cube root of 64 is equal to 4. And this is a rational number also. So if we add the rational number with the rational number also, will result rational number. So the conclusion, the answer is, it is a rational number. D, cube root of 8 plus cube root of 19. So let's see that cube root of 8 is equal to 2. 2 is a whole number and this is a rational number. Cube root of 19 is equal to irrational number because 19 is not a perfect cube. So that's why if we add the rational number and the irrational number, will result the irrational number. So the answer is 2 for 8 plus 2 for 19 equal to irrational number. 5a, find 1.5 square. So let's find 1.5 square equal to 1.5 times 1.5. So if we multiply 1.5 to 1.5, it will get 2.25. So the answer is 2.25. B. Show that root 2.25 is a rational number. So, solution, root 2.25. Root 2.25. So 2.25 means 225 by 100. So we will separate the root 225 and root 100. Same. And we will simplify that. Root 225 means 15 and root 100 is equal to 10. So 15 and 10, so 5 2 times and 5 3 times, so it will be 3 2. So 3 by 2 is a fraction of two integers, 2 also integer and 3 also integer and 2 also integer. So it's a fraction of integer, so this is a rational number. So that's why square root of 2.25 is also a rational number. So that's why 2.25 is a rational number. Question C. Is square root of 20.25 a rational number? Give a reason for your answer. So let's find out. Solution. Square root of 20.25 equal to, so square root is square root. 20.25 means 2025 by 100. So that's equal to square root of 2025 by square root of 100. So that's equal to square root for 100 equal to 10, and square root of 2025 equal to 45. So we will divide that 5 2 times and 5 9 times. So 9 by 2. 9 by 2. 9 is an integer and 2 is an integer. So this is a fraction. So this is a rational number. 9 by 2 is a rational number. So that's why square root of 20.25 is also a rational number. So we will say that's why square root of 20.25 is a rational number. Question D. Is cube root of 1.331 a rational number? Give a reason for your answer. So let's find out. Cube root of 1.331 equal to cube root of 1.331 by 1000. So we will simplify this. That's equal to cube root of 1000 and cube root of, oh sorry, there is no decimal. That will be 1331. So cube root of 1331. Cube root of 1000, that's equal to 10 3 times, so 10, and cube root of 1331 equal to 11 3 times, so that would be 11 by 10. So 11 by 10, that's equal to 1.1. 1.1 is a rational number. So that's why 2 root 4, 1.331 is also a rational number. So that's why 2 root of 1.331 is a rational number.